you are an activist, you're a lawyer,
Yeah.
and you communicate with women from all strata of society.
Yes.
You listen to stories of torture, of trepidation. There are women from the lowest stratum of the society for whom the word feminism is luxury. So, as an author, I would like to know from you, what does feminism or mean to you? Also, when somebody calls you, you're a feminist writer, a feminist author, how do you feel?
Yeah, I feel proud because, yeah, what is feminism means? It's a struggle to obtain equal rights and equal opportunities for women. They need equal rights and equal opportunities should be provided to them. And to gain that ultimate demand, the process is going on. And feminism is not a sin. To be called as a feminist writer, it's not a shameful act. I'm really proud of it because it says I am with the downtrodden women, I am with the aggrawed women, I am with the women who has been hunted, who has been victimized, and it is a bounden duty of me to rescue them, to be with them, and to give solace to them.
Right. Ma'am, for anything that happens in a country, whether it is a political upheaval, whether it is war, or any socio-economic upheaval, it is the women who are first
Sufferers.
affected.
Yes.
Yes. So
They are targeted and they are the
yes.
sufferers.
Yes. So now we see in our country there is a political upheaval, there is a target, there is a community, the minority community that is being targeted. And though men are the first target, women suffer silently.
Yes.
So, have you come across cases where women are struggling with mental health issues which are not spoken about? And
Lot of women are there. Lot of women. Even the men are also suffering from mental health issues. That is why the people, the men who really need some counseling and who need therapy, they are governing us. That is the greatest tragedy we have faced nowadays.
so, what do you have to say about the current situation and
That is
especially
what I have
women's?
told. No? They need therapy. They need counseling. They need to understand. They some empathy should crop out from their hearts. If it is not there, the policymakers are blindfold. They should see. They should realize the things. They should realize what is happening to people. People should be very prime importance to them. If it is not so, really they should take some therapy. That's all my intention.
Well, coming to your writing and coming to your book, I mean, of course, you have, I mean, your overall writings are there which yet to be translated for non-Kannada speaking readers.
Yes.
So, Ismat Chugtai once compared her writings with photograph. Okay, while reading some of your stories and reading the description, I also found that it is kind of photograph. You are connecting directly with readers. The description of women's actions also talk about how subjugation is working.
Yes.
So, is there any influence of any author on your writing?
No, there are a lot of authors. We cannot say no influences. There are a lot of authors, but I don't copy any author. It's my real life experiences I have documented in my own way. And particularly, I want to say the most important thing that influences me is the people, their struggle, their sorrows, their sadness, their happiness, their winning situations. All these things, they influence me a lot rather than any book. Reading, of course, gives you an insight. I don't deny it. But to be with the people, it gives a different orientation,
Right.
different power, different thinking process.
Absolutely. How do you think in today's Indian literature, minority women, and when I say minority women, it is not just from Muslim community, it is also from the tribal community, the Dalit community,
Yes.
the Adivasis. So how are
Marginalized
these
women.
marginalized women? How are these women represented in today's Indian literature?
They don't get any space. Actually, any educated and earning high denomination of salary, that woman is also not given any space. These women are completely ignored. That is why we are striving our best to get space for us and them together.
Absolutely. And lastly, ma'am, I would like to know, since you're in Shillong, in the Northeast, have you read any Northeast literature by any women writers?
No, no, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Actually, Shillong, the location of the Shillong was a great confusion for me earlier. Now I have been well versed with this landscape, with these people, and I have received lot of books. I have purchased lot of books with the literature of this Guwahati, Meghalaya, and I know, and I have got a plan also. I'm interested in this matrilineal system prevailing here, and I have spoken with many writers here. I think I may come sometime to research on this particular subject, which will give me a reliable content for my next novel. That's my project. I don't know how far it will be succeeded, but I have got thought about it.
One question from me. This is a literary festival. What is your message, suggestion to become a writer?
Yeah, nothing. Steady, right. That's all message. No other than it, no shortcuts.
What about reading?
Yeah, read. You study, read, and write. That's all.
Thank you so